Welcome back, guys, for another episode of SalazarWorks. And before I tell you guys the very final decision I made from the last video, I just want to show you guys something that I acquired last night. So again, it's a piece of puzzle for the bigger puzzle. It's a GTT to GTR conversion bonnet from yours truly, Carbonetics. Shout out for Carbonetics for looking after me whenever I need a panel for my build. So what I've done so far, I just quickly installed the front guards and the front bar. So with the front bar, it's just the corners for now. I took the headlights off because there's a lot of work involved, which we'll be going through in details later. But after a lot of consideration, I've decided to leave the rear quarter guards as is for now and focus to achieve this look in the meantime. And the reason behind why I'm going this route for now is because I've actually decided or committed to get the actual wheels from the movie, which is the R34 3-piece wheels.
My life be like...
Yes, I know. They're really expensive. That's a lot of money. It will take time for me to save up and actually get them. But I believe that it's going to be worth it at the end, especially for what I'm aiming for. Once I acquired the wheels, or once I got the wheels, I will then proceed to do the wide fender at the back, alongside with the actual decal and the wing to finish off the full thing, the full replica. But that's going to be in the future. In the meantime, you know, there's so much details that needs to be worked on. We're working on fiberglass here, mate. They're never going to be perfect. Buckle up, let's get started. Bruv, come on, that was awesome. I didn't need to do much adjusting. The fitment too, it was a lot better than my Z-Tune bonnet. I am amazed. So, the guard's not actually mounted on properly. It's the top side, which I'm about to show you in a sec. But overall, that bonnet is awesome. The other good thing about this bonnet too, compared to the vented one, is I don't have to deal with water in my valley anymore. I don't need to put any plastic on, oh sorry, not plastic. I don't need to put any cover on. When I used to put plastic in there, but I thought it was going to burn and fuck that, I want that to happen. But I don't need to put anything on top of my coal packs for water to get through there because, you know, bruv, it's completely covered. That's awesome. That's awesome. Alright, so this is the stuff about the guards, and it's good for the R34 Skyline community too, for people who wants to use GTR front guards. I mean, maybe some of you know this already, but it's for those people who don't know it yet. Alright, so here's the catch with this one. So these guards are actual GTR, not GTT GTR conversion. It's the actual GTR guard. Alright, so as you can see, that between the actual chassis and the guard, there's a space on both sides. Right, it's because the engine bay of the GTR in this section is different. Apparently it's higher. I mean, obviously you can see it now. Now I spoke to Xavier from Carbonetics. The way to get around this is to actually cut the guard and put an L bracket on. So like 3 pieces of L bracket to hold the guard to where I want it to be. And here's the section that I'm talking about, this bottom part here. So it will be cut from here all the way to the top, and then I'll be using L bracket it will sit like this, 3 of them, meaning I'm gonna have a full room of adjustment to make the fitting look perfect-ish. Not perfect, because they're never gonna be perfect. So before we go ahead and start doing the guards, I want to deal with this front section first. As you can see, the headlight brackets on both sides are off because this part of the grille needs trimming. I already put a line in there. I know exactly where I'm cutting. So let's do it. Alright, so the phone died. I didn't realize how low the battery was, but what I've done so far is I've put the bumper bar back on after chopping that section over there, and I've mapped the headlights back onto to see the fitment of the bar. But look at this one, guys. How good is that fitment? I'm just happy that I don't need to fill the gaps or sags or whatever. It's not perfect, but it definitely is a lot better than the bars I used to run. I scotched the bonnet off because I want to see what it looks like. Whew, guys, look at that. It's starting to look like the actual one in the movie. I'm very happy with that. Alright guys, so I'm going to cut the video here because it's starting to get dark, it's about to rain soon, and my bloody back. It's starting to hurt, asking me to stop. But yeah, I'm really happy. I'm a step closer to finishing the build. Today has been really productive and I'm really happy. So for the next episode, we'll be finishing the top section of the bar here, the bracket. And no, I'm not buying a Rio kit or whatever you call it. I am making it myself because it's just the way it is. I want to do it myself. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to make sure you don't miss any updates for this build. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Thanks.